Hello, I am Juliet Eleganti, and this is Arjulin Gasga.
I'm Joel Gonzaga.
We are your tour guide service in this cruise ship. Welcome, the Royal Caribbean, Spectrums of the Sea. Spectrums of the Sea is a quantum ultra-class cruise ship currently operated by Royal Caribbean International and the first ship, the Quantum Ultra Class, a modification from the company's Quantum class of ship. The ship was constructed at Meerwerft in the Papenburg, Germany, was delivered in April 2019. This place is a place that you can sit and relax waiting area. This Cafe 270 is a gourmet marketplace of Royal Caribbean's cruise ship of 1 and 2. It offers a variety of international cuisine, including Asian flavor, Italian dishes, and global goodness. Served buffet-style 3, the cafe is a part of Royal Caribbean's dining option, which cater to different tastes and preferences. Welcome to 270. It's an open area, living room with panoramic views through windows to decks high. By night, the lights go down, the windows become screen and the space come alive with a robotics robot and much more. This is 270, a place that can take you any place. This ship is total of 17 elevator. Royal Esplanade is a central hub on several Royal Caribbean, a bustling area where passengers can find a variety of shops, restaurants, and bars. It's a great place to browse of souvenirs, grab a quick bite to eat, or enjoy a drink with friends. Royal Theatre is a staple entertainment venue aboard renowned for its world-class performance and lovely seating. Spanning multiple decks and offering nightly entertainment, it boasts comfortable seating and an intimate seating with a fabulous view from every seat.
All those shows are totally free and it's come with package. We have here the map of the cruise ship. Start from deck 2 above of deck 16. Shopping offering duty-free various on-board shop offering duty-free and tax-free products, offering toiletries, personal hygienes and products and Royal Caribbean branded merchandise, selling Royal Caribbean branded clothes and souvenirs, featuring luxury jewelry and timepieces, and selling fragrance and beauty products from popular branded. Product available on board include alcohol package, gift, decoration, accessories, and merchandise. Shopping on board also found with perks, like daily sales and promotions. Star Moment is a lively karaoke venue where you become the star of your own show. It's a proper place to unleash your inner rock star. This activity requires an additional fee and is not included in your cruise purchase. Main dining room is a culinary highlight offering a sophisticated atmosphere for breakfast, brunch, and dinner. Pool deck located on deck 14. This is a lively hub of activities and relaxation. It offers a variety of amenities for guests of all ages, making a popular spot throughout the day and evening. Pool area located on deck 14. This deck is a hub of activities and relaxation, offering stunning ocean views, a refreshing pool, whirlpool, and a pool bar. A popular spot, it is visible to arrive early to secure a sun lounger or a spot by the pool.
Rock climbing wall that offers a thrilling experience for guests of all ages and skill level. Flow roller is a surf simulator offering a unique experience for guests of all skill level. is a 40-foot long surf simulator that creates a continuous wave, allowing you to experience the thrill of surfing without leaving the ship. It's located on deck 16. Skypad is a unique and thrilling experience that combines a Vengeance trampoline with virtual reality. The virtual adventure will launch you high into the stratosphere, treating your imagination. Our age 7 to 13 years old to enjoy the Skypad weight limit of 20 and 240 pounds.
Spa and Fitness Center, offering a comprehensive range of service and amenities to help guests relax, rejuvenate, and stay active during their cruise. Room Tour Balcony. The main attraction of Balcony's guest room is the private balcony, offering a personal space to enjoy the fresh air, ocean views, and sunsets.
Casino Royale is a vibrant and exciting gaming destination offering a Vegas-style experience right on board. The ship often on deck 4 or 5. You can find the exact location and the deck plans for the spectrum of the seas. It's a great place to test your luck, try new games, or simply enjoy the atmosphere.
Adventure Ocean is a dedicated kids program designed to provide a fun and engaging experience for young cruises. Night walk at the pool deck. Transform into a magical space at night, offering a unique atmosphere for a relaxing evening stroll, enjoying the ocean views and soak in the ambience of the ship of the night.